everyone, welcome back to my channel. Fall and winter fashion is finally here today. As you guys can tell by the title, I have a pretty big Zara haul. I've placed 3 separate orders on Zara. I honestly don't think I'm done shopping because I have so many things in my save for later, but I kind of want to wait until like their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales to see if any of my stuff goes on sale, because there's a pair of shoes that I bought and literally actually it wasn't the shoes, it was a coat that I bought, and I want to say like 3 days later or something, I was back on the website and that coat was on sale. So I kind of want to keep an eye out on things that I have in my save for later if they go on sale before I shop some more. But today I have some really good items for you guys. I have a whole bunch of coats and jackets. I have some sweaters. I have a pair of shoes. I am just so ready to show you guys everything. I actually also have one pretty little thing item that I've been wearing like crazy. And if you guys saw the Instagram reel I posted a couple weeks ago, I featured that jacket in the Instagram reel, but besides that, everything that's in this haul is also in that Instagram reel. I said Instagram reel like 4 times. I also want to welcome all of my new subscribers. I think since my last video was uploaded, I think gained over 200 or 300, almost 1,000, 200 or 300 subscribers. So thank you guys so much and welcome to my little YouTube family. So with all of that being said, let's just get right into the video. Since everything in this video is Zara except for one item, I'm going to start out with the non-Zara item, which is this oversized faux leather biker jacket from Pretty Little Thing. To be honest, you guys, I don't really like Pretty Little Thing. I don't like their denim. A lot of their dresses I have found to be very cheaply made, and they rip, they are see-through, so I just don't really like Pretty Little Thing, but they do make pretty good coats and jackets. I have one more that's actually on my clothing rack that I bought last year, and it is one of my favorite coats, and I wore it to death last year. I love it. It is super warm too. So this is another item that is definitely going to be in my wardrobe for a long time. Like I said, this is the oversized biker jacket. I really wanted to get this in a size US 4, and it was not in stock. I literally was checking in on it daily for weeks, and it was not in stock. Then they also went out of stock in size 6 as well, which is another size I was thinking about getting. And when they went out of stock in both of those sizes, I just decided to snag it up in a size 2, which is my regular size. It does fit me really good, and I do also wear it with a sweatshirt underneath, and it doesn't feel like it's too tight. The reason I like to get some coats and jackets oversized is because I want to be able to put a chunky sweater or a thick hoodie or sweatshirt underneath and not really feel like it's too tight. So that's why I wanted to size up, but it actually fits really good with a sweatshirt underneath and it's not too snug. So moving on to Zara, let's start out with my sweaters. So the first one is this extremely soft. I don't remember what this is made out of, but it's one of the softest things I've probably ever owned, and I wore it this past weekend. I got so many compliments on it. It is just a plain white turtleneck. It has a little bit of a rib detailing right at the bottom here, and then there's some rib detailing on the collar and the sleeves. I think this sweater would look so good with a cute like plaid skirt. I also wore it this past weekend with a pair of black jeans. I was actually planning on wearing it for this video, but I wore it this past weekend and I got so much makeup around the collar, and I don't have enough laundry to start a load, and I'm someone who does not start a load of laundry until I have a full basket. So last night I took some of my like spot cleaner and I put it on here and I just hand washed the collar. So it's still a little wet, and I was looking at the care of the sweater on the website, and it said something about, I think you're supposed to wash it on like delicates or hand wash it, and then you're also supposed to like lay it to dry, and then you're not supposed to hang it. You're just supposed to like fold it up. So it's a very like dainty material, so I didn't want to wear it and stretch the collar out because this part up here is a little damp still. I wore it this past weekend, and I actually had to take my jacket off. I was out on Friday night and I had to take my jacket off because I was getting so hot in the sweater and the jacket, but I just spent the entire night in the sweater, even outside in this fall weather, and I was just so warm. I also want to point out, I don't know how my hair looks on camera. I feel like it looks fine in real life. I have a lot of flyaways, but I feel like on camera it might not be looking very good because I put this turtleneck on after I did my hair and makeup, and it like literally like suffocated my entire face coming down, so I feel like it really flattened my hair. So I hope that my hair looks fine. Next I have another sweater. This one's actually very similar to the one I just showed you guys. The last one was white, and this one is ecru, I believe, or ecru. This one is also a lot looser than the other one. The other one is very tight fitting and very, very flattering. This one does have more of a loose fit. I love this sweater. They actually also have this one in a beautiful green color. I wanted the green color before I even noticed that they had it in a different color, and it was sold out. I had my eye on it for weeks, maybe even a month, and it just never came back in stock. So I decided to purchase it in this color just so I know for the future if it does ever come in stock if I actually want it or not. And I do want the green so bad. I love this sweater. I just realized I haven't been going through sizing of anything. So the first sweater I purchased is in a small, and like I said, that one fits true to size. This second one I purchased in a medium, and it has a more of an oversized fit, which I love. Everything in this video ranges between sizes medium and small, just depending if I want it a little more oversized or if I want it to fit true to size. So I will tell you guys the sizes of everything as I keep going with the video, but I will also leave sizing information down below as well. So moving on to coats and jackets, I have this ecru trench coat, and you guys, when I wear this, I feel like Blair Waldorf. This is purchased in a size small, and I'll be honest with you guys, the first time I tried this on, I did not like it at all. I thought it was way too big, but I feel like I just had to put it on with an actual outfit, and I had to do my hair and makeup to see if I really like it or not, and I love it. I wore this a couple weeks ago when we went out on a date night, and I posted a picture on Instagram. When I wore this a couple weeks ago, I literally just wore it with the most plain Jane outfit ever. It was a black turtleneck with black jeans and black heels. And once I added the coat, I added my jewelry, I added my purse. I really felt like everything just came together. And I really feel like that's a huge reason why I love fall and winter fashion so much more than summer fashion. I feel like winter fashion always has like this big, I don't know what to wear type of thing, but if you purchase the right coats, the right jackets, the right accessories, you will take your outfit and just elevate it so much. Your coat in the wintertime is your entire outfit, and it took me a really long time to realize that, but now that I have like fully realized that, I sometimes, like I said, will wear the most plain outfit ever and add my coat, and I will just feel like I look so put together. So moving on to my next item, I have this cropped black puffer coat. This is probably my favorite item because my favorite thing to wear is a cute athletic outfit. So I think with a pair of pretty much any leggings, but a pair of black leggings, some chunky sneakers, a workout top, or just like a cropped compression top. I have one from Gymshark and I love it. I actually just noticed that it ripped like right here, so I'm gonna have to get a new one, but I love it. And then with the baseball cap, I think this would look so cute with that outfit, and that's actually how I wore it this past weekend to a football game, and I was so warm. So like I mentioned earlier, there is an item that I wish I got my true size instead of sizing up, and this is that item. I purchased it in a medium. My true size is a small, and I should have just stuck with the size small. This still fits me really good. I just feel like the size small would fit me a little bit better. My favorite thing about this coat is actually that it's water resistant. So I wore this and it was raining, and there was no rain stains on this coat. It was literally just like dripping off the coat. If I would walk into a place and feel the coat, it was fully dry. So that is my favorite thing about this coat. Like I said, it's very warm as well. This is also the coat that I said went on sale a couple days after I purchased it, so definitely make sure that you're keeping an eye out on their, I think it's called special prices category, and it's just things that they will randomly throw on sale. So I would highly recommend checking that out and scrolling through there, because you can definitely find some really good gems. So I have two more items. Next one is this white, a little bit of blue, brown, and cream shacket. I love this jacket. This one, just like that first trench coat I showed you guys, is definitely something that you can wear with the most plain outfit ever, and it will just elevate your outfit. This is going to be something that's going to be in my wardrobe for a very long time, and I feel confident saying that about everything in today's video. Something I've really noticed about myself is I have been shopping more on the websites that have better quality items compared to the websites that have cheaper items that I probably will only wear like once. Zara is definitely a website that you get items that last you a very long time, so I love shopping on Zara. I don't really love their summer and spring items, but I do love their fall and winter items. I think they have the best fall and winter fashion than any website I have ever shopped on. This is one of my favorite items in my wardrobe. They also do have this in an option of different colors, but I just love this colorway. I feel like it's very neutral and you can wear it with so many different things. This is very warm. This is the jacket I wore over the white turtleneck that I was telling you guys earlier. I got so warm in this jacket and that turtleneck I had to take the jacket off, which I was kind of sad about because I felt like the jacket made my outfit look so much cuter because I actually had a super plain outfit on underneath. It was just black jeans with black heels and a white sweater, and I just felt so basic. So I felt like this jacket really brought my outfit up to a whole new level. So I really love this jacket. I highly recommend you guys getting it. It's very soft as well. I purchased this one in a size medium, so it does have a little more of an oversized fit. So I have one more item. It is these black ankle booties, black ankle heels. I don't even know what to call these, but I have been wearing these like crazy. Every single time that I have dressed up since I've had these, I have worn these over like any other shoe that I have. I noticed on Zara they have shoes that are made from this like air fit technology, or like they're not made from it, but they have this air fit technology. And if you're someone who loves comfy shoes, which I don't know who doesn't like a comfortable pair of shoes, what the air fit technology is it has a lot of stretch. So the shoes are going to be a lot more comfortable than regular shoes. I will just point out that at the end of the night of wearing these for hours, my feet do hurt, just like in any other shoe. But I last in these heels a lot longer than I do in regular heels. They have a lot of stretch to them. So as you can see, they have so much stretch. And then they do also have memory foam on the inside. The memory foam is not like crazy squishy, but it definitely has more of a memory foam than like regular shoes. I have a pair of shoes that I showed in my last Zara haul, which I'll link down below. It's my fall Zara haul. I have a pair of little ankle booties on there as well, and they don't really have a heel at all, and they are very comfortable, and they have that ear. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see another Zara fall and winter haul, please give this video a thumbs up so I know it's something you want to see. I'm also going to leave my previous Zara haul video down below, and I'm also going to leave all of the sizing information and links down below. So if you guys want to purchase anything, it will all be linked down below. Also, if you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to leave them down below or message me on Instagram. In my last video, I mentioned that you guys can message me on Instagram if you have any questions about anything video related or just about anything. You definitely can do that, and I actually had quite a few of you guys message me and just ask some questions, and I got back to you guys and we had some really good conversations. So if you guys want to message me about anything, please feel free. And I would also like to welcome all of my new subscribers. Again, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. And you guys are really loving my last video, and there will definitely be another luxury video coming up soon. So be on the lookout for that. And thank you guys so much again for subscribing to my channel, for supporting me, giving me a thumbs up, commenting, sharing, everything you're doing. Just thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.